Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got. I've been going through drinking lots and lots of water, so I thought, hey, why not get myself a big water jug that'll last me all day? So let's check this one out and see what it looks like here. So this is it here. This one here is nice because it's made out of like, I don't think it's glass. It might be glass. It might be glass or really hard plastic. I'll see in a second. But then we've got our top here, and we can push the button, I guess, here and open it up. It's got a little sippy spout, which is nice. You can close it back up, and there it's got a little thing here, the little lock, so it'll lock it in place so it won't open by mistake. And got a little handle here, so how cool is that? Comes with everything. And let's open this up and see what came inside of it, because it looks like there's a bunch of stuff inside of it. So let's see. So we got, sorry, the dogs all want to take part of this. So we have two straws, two long straws. We have a little scrubber brush that'll clean the straws, I'm guessing. So you can clean the straws, it'll go through there. We have I gotta put everything down away from the dogs. We have a strap, so we can hook a strap up to our water bottle. More stuff in there. Comes with everything. That's like a whole party in the bag. Okay, another strap. So we have two straps. Might have to look at the instructions to figure out how to put all this together. And then, what is this? So here, there are no instructions, so we're gonna figure this out ourselves. This is gonna be, I guess, the cleaner, so we can clean inside of the jar and get all the way down there. My hand can almost fit in it. And I guess this is gonna go snap into there, so it makes a nice big brush, so we can clean all the way down to the bottom. So actually that's pretty cool that it comes with the cleaner for it. And then, let's figure out what all these straps are for. So, are there two different sizes, or are they the same? They're both the same. Maybe it just comes with two, whatever. Let's see. It looks like it's gonna clip into the top, like, which way do we want it to go? That, and maybe it's gonna go the other way, probably this way. Yeah, like this, and then we'll go all the way around and do it this way. So now we can have a strap so we can hold it by the handle. Let me take out my cleaning brush. Let's get a straw. We'll hook a straw up into here like this. Oh, that's nice. It kind of goes into a little silicone little receptacle for it. It's a glass jar, by the way. And then we have our little handle here, so we can hold it this way or the other way. So, and this will make it nice and long, so we can have a nice long one if we want to put it around our neck or whatever. And it looks like, how much does this gonna hold? This is gonna hold 64 ounces, so this is gonna hold a heck of a lot of water. And it's a glass jar, so it's gonna be nice and clean and nice and easy to clean. And it's got this rubber silicone thing on it. I'm guessing we can take it off if we needed to clean it or whatever. But very cool. So I like this water jar. So this will tell you how much to drink each day. I think it even says, yeah, it's got 8 ounces, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, and 81 ounces, or 64 ounces, sorry, max. So very cool. So I like this water jug. Very cool. We'll start using it and just let you know how it goes. So thumbs up for me. Links in the description. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.